Why do we make impulsive decisions? When we encounter pleasurable, rewarding temptations such as like food, that releases the dopamine, which is associated with motivation and pleasure. This dopamine release reinforces the behavior and the motivation. This turns our brain into a battlefield between impulsivity and self-control. And the battlefield involves two different areas of the brain: the prefrontal cortex, particularly the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex. This is associated with self-control and resisting temptation. On the other hand, the ventral medial prefrontal cortex is involved in impulsivity. This is the battlefield inside your mind, and whichever one you let win gets the dopamine, and it becomes stronger. It takes a hold of you further. This is a concept known as neuroplasticity. This is basically repeated exposure to rewarding temptations, and this can reshape the neural connections in your mind, reinforcing the associations between cues, cravings, behaviors. This process can make the temptation more powerful. So what should we do? Imam Ali alayhi salam in Nahj al-Balagha gives a perfect explanation, and he gives 3 characteristics to resist temptation. And the person must prepare himself with knowledge, patience, and determination, for temptation is difficult to overcome. He suggests that this requires a holistic approach, encompassing the right thoughts in the mind, the right emotions in the heart, and your will to infuse them together.